Hello there and welcome back to my new video. So in this video I wanna share with you one new amazing tool called Pixso. So Pixso is a brand new user interface and a user experience design tool, but it's much more than that. You can design mobile, web applications and anything else that you can think of. First, what you need to know about this tool is that it's completely free. So as you can see here, you can use this tool for free without any issues. So you can just open up their official website, which is called pixso.net, and you can just scroll down below to see other different kind of details and information about this specific tool as well. So you can also use this tool to make prototypes as well, so it's quite convenient and easy to use tool. And down below we can see one very useful information, and that is that this software is actually compatible with Adobe XD, Figma, Xshare and Sketch. So you can easily import your own project from another software and use it with Pixso. To be honest, I may probably switch from Adobe XD to Pixso because it looks just amazing really. And now I'm going to show you how it works. So the first thing which you need to do here, you need to sign up. So since I have already created here an account, I'm going to just log in. And this is basically just a web application. So as you can see down below, we have one message that says that there is compatibility issues with this Firefox browser, but I haven't really experienced any kind of issues with that, so it's just a simple message. Anyhow, it's recommended by their team to just use a Google Chrome browser instead. By the way, a desktop version is not available yet, so they are still working on that. But you will be able to use this application to its full potential in the web browser. And before I show you the actual interface of this software, let me just open up this resource community and this design material page. So this Pixso also offers some different kind of UI toolkits which you can use out of the box. So here we can find different categories like UI component sets, icons, design systems, mobile, web designs and so on. So you can just open up one of those UI design toolkits and you can use them right away. So here we can find some more information about this specific tool. There is an option here that says a copy, which will basically copy this file to our own draft box. And if I go back to that previous screen, this is our actual draft box. And from there we can use all those projects that we have imported from that resources page, okay? And of course from here we can open up one of those projects that someone else has already created. So just double tap on that. And there we go. So this is how the actual user interface looks like. So here we can see that design which someone else has already created, and we can of course modify this design and create our own, or we can just use this design as inspiration for the next design of ours. So the user interface is pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to get too much deep into that. So you have all the necessary tools that you're going to need to actually create and design here with this software. So there is here a layers panel, there is here a properties panel, so you can even share this project with someone else. You can create prototypes and much more. Alright, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. So be sure to check this software, the link will be down in the video description. So be sure to comment down below and like this video if you find it helpful of course. And see you in the next one.
I'm a legend when they lay me down to